CEREC is a great location for improve my clinical practice because here I can learn with the technology most advanced of CAD/CAM system. I am Peruvian from perspective Peruvian. When I think in Asia, specifically in Taiwan, you can see the future here. The technology are growing very fast. For this important reason, I choose to learn in CEREC Asia with the perfect teachers, experienced assistants. The course is about essence of aesthetics. The aesthetic is key in my practical clinic. For this reason, I had the big expectation for this course because I focus a lot on this topic because I want to make it feel better to improve my passion when I finish final treatment, the good, better smile. Not only functional, I want to make aesthetic treatment and satisfy my passion. For this reason, interested in this topic. This course overcame all my expectations. I'm so thankful for the knowledge. I was impressed for the professor teach me how he answered all my questions, and also the assistant helped me all time. For me, the organization was perfect. I have only the good feedback, nothing negative for this course. Of course, because in this course you can learn step by step how to make the perfect preparation for make the veneers and crowns and aesthetic restoration with the different materials. Also know the different materials, the characteristic using the CAD/CAM system. I like how it developed the course because this course gives me the opportunity see how is my mistakes when the software recheck. In this software you can see where you have the mistakes in your preparation. You can change this and improve your technique.